Hey everyone, is your Android phone stuck on the boot logo? Don't worry, here are some easy fixes you can try. Step 1. Wait a few minutes. If your phone has just restarted or updated, wait a few minutes. Sometimes it takes longer to start. Step 2. Force restart your phone. Press and hold the power button until your phone restarts. Step 3. Charge your phone. Connect your phone to the charger and leave it charging for at least 20 minutes. Then try turning it on again. Step 4. Remove the SIM card. Turn off your phone, remove the SIM card, then turn your phone on again. Step 5. Check for safe mode. If your phone supports safe mode, try starting it in safe mode and check if it turns on normally. Step 6. Reset your phone. If nothing works, start your phone in recovery mode and choose with cache partition if available. If the problem continues, you may need to select factory reset. This will reset all your data. Final tip, if your phone is still stuck on the boot logo, it may need professional repair, and that's it. This step should help fix an Android phone stuck on the boot logo. Like, subscribe, and share for more easy Android tips.